Ring muscle up, eccentric in L-sit. If you want to achieve a strict ring muscle up, one of the best ways to build the required strength is by training the eccentric phase of the movement. We're generally stronger in the eccentric or lowering phase than we are in the concentric or lifting phase, which makes this a powerful tool for developing both strength and movement awareness. In this variation, we'll move through the transition phase in a piked or L-sit position. This gives you better leverage and makes it easier to slow the movement down, critical for building control and strength where it matters most. Here's how it works. Start by setting the rings to a height that allows you to sit on the floor in an L-sit position while holding the rings with a false grip and straight arms. Next, jump into ring support. Keep your arms straight, shoulders protracted and depressed, and your body in a tight hollow body shape. Turning the rings out into RTO is also a great habit to develop here. Begin the eccentric by performing a controlled dip. Lean your shoulders forward and down while keeping the elbows vertically stacked over the wrists. Lower into a deep dip, aiming to get your shoulders below elbow height. From the bottom of the dip, bring your legs forward and begin the transition. Keep the chest up, shoulders forward of the wrists, and slowly move the elbows back and down. This should all happen in a smooth and controlled way. As the elbows move back, you'll notice the rings rotate around the body, naturally placing the hands into a strong false grip. The palms begin to face down, a pronated position, and the rings become parallel to the body. To maintain control through the transition, keep the rings close by your sides. When your forearms are parallel to the floor, you'll reach the point where you're forced to change from pushing down on the rings to pulling down on the rings. This is the critical transition point. At this moment, lift your legs into an L-sit to help counterbalance the torso, which is moving behind the rings. The elbows now begin to move forward, and the rings continue to rotate, allowing the forearms to move around the outside of the rings. The rings should end up in front of the torso as you transition into the top of the false grip L-sit chin-up. This is a weak position for many, so it's worth holding here for 3 to 10 seconds to build strength and awareness. From here, maintain the L-sit as you slowly lower into a straight arm position. Extend the arms and aim to place your glutes on the floor before the heels of the feet touch the floor, finishing in a false grip dead hang with the arms fully extended. Lock out the elbows and turn the rings out to reinforce good end range control. Here are some programming notes. A good starting point for most people is being able to perform 5 to 10 total reps in a session, really focusing in on the slow transition and control. As strength improves, progress to 5 sets of 3 to 5 reps, keeping the movement strict and deliberate. Once you can perform 15 high-quality reps across the session, you'll likely be ready to attempt the strict concentric ring muscle up. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.